Independent client customer business. This is a partial completion, but we have a few things to go over as far as reorder materials, and then also what we need to get when we come back. First thing to say is that we've got a 15-inch cabinet here, 42, with a finished interior, 15 inches deep. If you take a look, there's a crack in the top of that. So that cabinet moved or something during the CNC routing process, so that has to be replaced. We didn't do any moldings on top, but do have some of the moldings and stuff cut for it. Down here in the bottom, tray cabinet pull out, got that on. And then also here is where we cut out in the back for the water line. And then also we went ahead and made an access point here. It's 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches between the two. So I don't think there's any problems there running the water inside. This is the paperwork for the refrigerator. Opening for the refrigerator is 50 inches wide, 84 inches tall, and 26 5/8 inches deep. Some of the refrigerator openings will vary. So this one is the actual size of what we have in the drawing. So of course, if we have to add in or whatever, we have materials to do that. But this is what the drawing shows as far as the opening goes. Over here on this one, we've got a base cabinet here in the hutch area, bottom left. This door on this one has got a crack in the tinion, so we need to replace it with a new door. Just a splinter crack in the walnut. So I went ahead and glued it back together and stapled it, but it does need a replacement. These hutches turned out really good. You've got your crown moldings at the top. That is actually a finished shelf on the top of those. And then these are tambour storage units, you know, for storing things above the counter space. And then here on the bottom, we've got countertop space. These are 27 inches deep as well. The electrical for the lighting on the left-hand side here under that one. And this one is complete except for that door. Over here on this other side, this one I think's 100% complete except for the handles. On this one, they're doing metal inserts here in the bottom with backer. So this one has a microwave space. And then we have that finished panel on the top, as well as the moldings. Here's that tambour storage unit again on this side. So all that's working good, 27 deep as well. On the handles, we are wide handles here, like in the drawers across, wide handles over there, just like these handles are. We are out of wide handles. So we have how many? 17. We have 17 of the short handles left, but we still are looking at doing something with this base 18 here at the end. The actual width of the 18 is 15 interior for the front of the drawer front. And then here, customers wanting to do like a tray pull out instead of the roll out trays, which is similar to the one beside the refrigerator. So 2 there. Here the long handles would be same thing. So 1, 2 there. And then a short handle for this one. And then over here, this drawer front is only 12 inches wide. Here to here is only 12 inches wide. And she wants the same action on it as she has on the one below. It's a 15-inch cabinet, so 12. And then over here on this side, these are 12-inch cabinets, so these only have 9-inch doors. It's a 9-inch door on width. And so we're looking at that one to see if we can find a narrower width, 8 3/4, for this one right and left. So the range hood area, they took it to have it painted. They're going to stain this one in place just to finish, a poly finish on it. And the moldings for it are right here. Again, just a poly finish for those. And we've got a little bit of crown molding to do up here on the top. Scribe moldings to do here on the sides. A little bit of taper to that wall. So we got to put little moldings on it, about 1/2 inch wide. And then we did the toe kick here on this one simply because he needed to be able to put his finished front on that one so that it has the finished base look on the bottom. But the back of this island has just got the paneling on it now. and it's got these massive 1/2-inch brackets. Got some screws in here to hold the panels on. So if you take these 4 screws out, panels will come out and you can get to all the electrical, plumbing, anything you need to get to back there. Just be careful handling the paneling, please, to make sure we don't have any problems with getting it scratched or anything like that. But all these moldings you see here are decorative finish moldings for the fronts of this. To come back and finish is going to be at least 2 days to finish up. So that is sometime in the future, probably after November 4th is what we're thinking at this point. They've still got to do the floors, countertops, several pieces. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.